In this video we are installing and reviewing the following product. The Viessmann level crossing of type EBÜT 80 with article number 5108 and the fitting blinking light set 5060 with 2 lights or the similar 5835 with 4 lights. In our case we bought first a 2 light set and then the extension 5058. The level crossing barrier set comes with 2 barriers which are driven with micromotors or servo in the stand. There follows also decoration part as well as plates to fill the gap between the tracks. Since our set is going to be placed in a curve, we will have to construct something ourselves. The barriers are controlled with a small decoder which also supports analog modes. The one motor is soldered directly to the decoder while the other has a small connector. This is actually a stupid construction as the whole decoder has to fit through the hole while mounting, as you will see. Before mounting it on the layout, it's a good idea to make it work and program before. Connect the yellow and brown wire to your supply. Now hold the blue wire with the green marker on the same potential as the brown one. It should close. Repeat the same with the red one to open it. Before using it with DCC or Motorola, we need to enter an address. Programming is done by connecting each of the blue wire to either the yellow and brown one. Turn on the power. Wait a second. Then leave the red one and remove the green one for DCC and the other way for Motorola. Press the address on the central. And the barrier should move if the command fits, otherwise repeat with the other command. Unfortunately we couldn't make it work with DCC, but we couldn't make it work with Motorola. So now we can connect the lights. The kit comes with a blinking module with 2 or 4 lights. Solder the provided 330 ohm resistor on the green cable of the decoder and plug it in the BM connector of the blinking electronic. Now connect all the black wires with resistor of each lamp in the connector labeled 1 through 4. Connect all other light wire as well as the orange from the decoder to the GE connector. So when the barrier closes, the light will blink until they open. The black wire on the decoder can be cut, then the barrier will close and open in 3 seconds, compared to the 6 when left on default. Now we are ready for the installation. Drill 2 13mm holes for the stand. Disconnect the other barrier from the decoder and put it in the hole. Then place the white fixing bracket on the stand to hold it in position. Repeat this with the other one, but there you will have to pull the decoder through the hole. Make 4mm holes for each light and pull the cable and mount the light. Now connect everything to the decoder and blinking electronics. Our case is a bit more tricky as we need to be able to remove the front part of the crossing for maintenance access. Then we program Rockwell to activate the crossing when a train selects a route passing over it. We have to avoid opening it when a train will pass in the other direction. So, now to the review part. The good things first. The level crossing looks good, the movement of the barrier is smooth, the motors are very quiet. The blinking looks good, but it's a bit on the slow side for my taste. Now the bad things. The mounting of the one barrier is bad because you have to pull the whole decoder through the hole. There are no CVs to set the speed of the barrier and other configurations. The barrier will go down at the same time as the light starts to blink. It would have been better if it would blink for 2-3 seconds and then the barrier would close. There is a freaking microcontroller on that board. It should not have been a problem to program that accordingly. To get that effect, we will need to connect the lights to the Q decoder which is nearby and then program it in Rockwell. Overall, we will give 3.5 out of 5 stars for that product, based on the look, functionality, and also the price is not that cheap. By the way, you can buy a sound module for the Crossing which we find totally overpriced. So that's it. If you liked our videos, and give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it so far.